In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email alias for a user in Google Admin and set it up in Gmail. First, sign into the Google Admin console by going to admin.google.com. Make sure you're using an account with the right permissions, such as a super admin or user manager account, because standard user accounts won't be able to manage aliases. Once you're in the admin console, open the main menu in the top left, then go to Directory and select Users. This will bring up the list of users in your organization. Next, find the user you want to update. You can either scroll through the list and click their name, or use the search bar at the top to find them more quickly. After selecting the user, look to the left sidebar for the option called Add Alternate Emails, which may also appear as email aliases depending on your version of the admin panel. When you open that section, you'll be able to create the alias. Enter the prefix you want, such as support, info, or sales. Then choose the verified domain you want to use. The full email address will be formed from the prefix plus the selected domain, for example, support@yourdomain.com. Double check the spelling before saving, since aliases are often used for customer-facing communication and should be easy to recognize and remember. Click Save to apply the change. If needed, you can repeat this process to add more aliases for the same user. Google allows up to 30 aliases per user, which is helpful if one person needs to receive messages from several public-facing addresses. After saving, keep in mind that activation is not always instant. In many cases, the alias starts working within 5 to 30 minutes, but it's best to allow up to 24 hours for full propagation. Once the alias is active, the user can send mail from that alias inside Gmail. To do that, they should open Gmail, click Settings, go to Accounts and Import, then find Send Mail As and add the alias there. That way they can both receive messages sent to the alias and send replies from the same address. Any mail sent to the alias will arrive in the user's existing inbox. That's important because an alias is not a separate mailbox and does not have its own login. A few final rules to remember. One alias can belong to only one user, so it can't be shared across multiple people. Aliases are free and do not add extra cost. They also work with primary, secondary, or alias domains. And finally, because an alias is only an additional address, it does not create a separate email account.